This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper, and we are in Odessa, Florida, and we are just completing our commercial wallpaper installation in a handicap-accessible, large commercial bathroom. And here we are. If you'd like to reach us, you can contact us at www.spencercolgan.com. There were lots of corners to wrap our wallpaper around, lots of pattern to keep straight. These walls are 115 inches high, and it was quite a challenge. 2 stalls in this bathroom, 3 in the other. Again, you can reach us at www.spencercolgan.com and call us at 813-666-7002. If you need wallpaper, you can contact www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Thank you.